You won't believe the history of saying, "bless you," after a sneeze. It started as a defense against death. Bless you came from a time when sneezing was seen as a sign of deadly illness. The tradition began in 6th century Rome during a massive plague outbreak. People feared sneezes meant the plague. Some believed your soul might escape when you sneezed. The Pope ordered everyone to say, "God bless you," to protect souls, and it went viral across Europe. Now, it's a daily habit worldwide. Would you want people to stop blessing sneezes forever?